Whether you need a website for your small business to show off your work or simply share your thoughts, I've got you covered. And the best part, you can start building today and it won't cost you a single dollar. Today I'm going to show you 5 different platforms to build your website for free. You hear right, no hidden cost and no code needed, just simple drag and drop builders. I've tested all these methods myself and I'll share exactly which one is the best for you. I'll even show you a bonus method that can help you start making money online right away. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over 2 key terms: domain and hosting. Think of the domain as your car's license plate. It's how people identify your website online, like google.com or yourname.com. Hosting is the garage space where your car is parked. It's where all your website's files are stored. Some of the options that I'm going to share today include hosting, and in return they give you a license plate with their name on it. For example, yourname.wordpress.com. Now that we got that covered, let's dive in. First up, we have Wix. It's a super popular website builder with a drag and drop editor, making it one of the easiest ways to get a professional looking site with zero coding. The free plan gives you access to lots of templates and customization options. But the downside is that you will have a Wix branded domain, like yourname.wixsite.com. Still, it's perfect if you want a simple and stylish site up in minutes. Next, we have WordPress.com, which is different from WordPress.org that requires hosting. The free plan lets you build a simple website with a WordPress subdomain and a range of things to choose from. The pros: it's great for blogging, SEO friendly, and flexible. The cons: customization is a bit limited. Unlike Wix, you'll get a branded domain like yourname.wordpress.com. Still, if content is your focus, this is a solid choice. Google Sites is a hidden gem. It's 100% free, no branding, and it integrates seamlessly with Google Drive, making it ideal for simple resumes, simple portfolios, or internal team sites. The trade-off: limited design options. So if you want a flashy, custom-looking website, this might not be the best option. But for a quick, functional site, this is fantastic. The next one is my favorite. If you just need a one-page website, Cart is your best bet. It's fast, minimal, and great for portfolios, personal websites, or simple landing pages. The free plan allows you to create up to 3 websites, but you can't remove branding or access advanced elements. Still, it's perfect if you're looking for a sleek one-page site. Last, if you're looking to sell digital products online, Gumroad is a fantastic option. You can set up a simple storefront and start selling right away. No monthly fees. The downside: they take a cut of each sale, but if you're trying to make money online, this is a simple way to start doing it. So, there you have it, 5 different ways to build your website for free today. Each has its own strengths, so it really depends on your needs. Let me know in the comments which one you're trying out. If you're still on the fence about whether you should have your own website or not, you might want to check my video here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.